Good morning from Why Be Boring. We are not going to have a boring weekend. We are off to the other side of Paternoster. It's a little place called St. Helena Bay, and we're going there for Valentine's weekend. Tomorrow we've got something really special lined up, but we'll record that as well, so stick around for that video. It's going to be interesting.
We're on our way to St. Helena Bay, so as we head north, we're looking for something interesting or someplace interesting to ride. So we're going to explore the top of Piketberg. We've never been up there, and it'll be fun to explore some new roads. Welcome to Piketberg. Versveld Pass. I like it so far. It's very scenic to me.
Yeah, the road condition looks nice as well. This mountain is very pretty.
Oh wow, this is nice.
This is very pretty.
Very happy we took this one.
Wow, we're climbing now, hey?
I'm really liking this pass.
Woo, but we're high. Oh, my stomach went funny.
Yeah, I think there will be a lookout point somewhere.
Hello! Ow!
Yo, we're high.
We're up in the clouds.
We really are in the clouds, eh? Want to stop here?
Okay. Thank you.
Pleasure.
What do you think of this pass so far?
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's really pretty.
This is really nice.
And we're quite high up. So we thought we'll stop for a Sami break, but with a view.
This road is really beautiful.
Very narrow little roads like this, with the trees and scenery, the mountain.
Okay, now where to now? I think we have to turn left here actually.
You got it?
Got it.
Did you get hurt now? Oh.
No, I just didn't have enough to stop it.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta like let it go, you know? distance, you know, when I was watching you like this. Yo. And we are in St. Helena Bay. It's the first time we've been here, so this is all new for us. Here we go. Restaurant parking around the back. Sunset Lodge.
This is our house for the weekend. We're staying at number 7. There's our bathroom, shower, toilet. It's nice and clean. This is our bedroom, double bed, small little kitchen, fridge, kettle. We can have a nice cup of coffee tomorrow morning. TV. It's exactly what we need for the weekend. We don't need anything else. Looks like there's a nice veranda out here. Little stoopy. Let's see if we can go out. So they have an indoor pool, which makes this very nice because it's very windy here. And the guy said the temperature is about 30 degrees. So I'm going to unpack the bikes, get into the cozy and come and jump in. It's freezing. This is not 30 degrees, but oh man. Now we're at the local watering hole, having something to drink after our ride, or should I say after our day at school. How was your day at school, Stephanus?
I was heavy enough. I don't feel the wind.
Yeah, the wind was really hectic today.